If it's not one thing, it's another. So, this is nasty, but this is what's going on. Alright, so, inside, flushing toilets, washing, all of a sudden, bubbles, pumping it, thinking they had clogged it. My septic's completely full. So I'm out here, check it out. So as I was saying before, this is the pump, this circulates it, and then that's the gray pump. I already pulled that thing out. Now this, you can already see it's wet. Septic's already coming out. Same with this one. You can see it. I don't need to show you the inside, but that's raw crap. And then had to run in here and grab this. Last year the same thing happened. This piece got clogged. This sucks in through here and this filter's got clogged. No, I didn't have time to get gloves and do this shit. So that was clogged too. So I need to clean all this up, put it back in there, connect it up there, because that's how deep it is. And that's what she said. So what's that mean? I need to have them come out and clean these all out. So it's looking like every year I need to do this. That is wild. Kind of dark out, but this is the strainer part where the pump strains it through here, pumps up there, goes in there, shoots out here and over. And then I have it going here to the front sprinklers and then out here where that trench is, and there's another one out there. Anyway, it's complicated, but as you can see, it's really deep. It's deeper than what you think it is. I am pure sweat right now. Just trying to have a calm, good day. Anyways, whew. So I'm pissed. Tried to use the sprinklers to clear out that septic, and they had cut my sprinkler line and didn't repair it, so it was just shooting out. So now I can't use the front to help clear it out. It was so full that this started overfilling, and this is the drain out to the front. And I think that's the reason why this was happening, is because I was out there plunging the water in. Oh, fuck. All right, so it's gone down some. That needs to be repaired. That's more of a blowout. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna keep this as the way it is right now. Let it drain itself out. It's going down. I got the pump. It's pumped out. I have the septic guys coming Monday. Since I've fixed it, they just need to do a pump out because these two are full. That's pretty much it. Anyways, long-winded. This is a fucking nightmare. Got a little bit of a leak, but that's not a big deal. It's already gone down halfway. I kicked it out to the sprinkler in the front. Didn't give a shit if it was spraying everywhere. And then I kicked that off, and now I just have this on and turned off the sprinklers. So last one, I zip tied it since they're not gonna be here till Monday. He said that's good. And of course, what most people tell me, man, I'm so glad you're able to do this kind of stuff. This will save you. Most people won't do this stuff. Well, guess what? I'm the motherfucking lawn pusher. That was so weird to say that you can see me. I'm the motherfucking lawn pusher. The fuck? I'm coming in. I've saved the day. Y'all can thank me later. Nobody's up. Everybody's asleep. Get ready in bed, baby. I'm coming in.